Hey Auto Good fam, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a car that proves the future of driving doesn't have to sacrifice the past. A machine that takes BMW's iconic driving DNA and injects it into a fully electric package. This is the BMW i4, the electric sedan that drives like a BMW. The i4 made waves when it launched, because it wasn't just another EV, it was BMW's declaration that electric cars can still feel like a true driver's machine. At its core, the i4 rides on BMW's flexible car platform, the same one underpinning many of their internal combustion models. That means it looks and feels like a proper BMW sedan, not a futuristic science project. From the outside, the i4 is sleek and muscular, with a low-slung coupe-inspired roofline, wide stance, and of course the bold kidney grills, which here serve more as aerodynamic elements than air intakes. It's familiar, yet fresh, unmistakably BMW, but with a clear nod to the future. Underneath, the i4 comes in several flavors, but the star of the lineup is the i4 M50, BMW's first fully electric M-performance model. This version packs a dual-motor setup, producing a whopping 536 horsepower and 586 pound-feet of instant torque. That's enough to launch the i4 M50 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Numbers that rival BMW's own legendary M3 and M4, but raw speed is only part of the story. What really makes the i4 stand out is the way it drives. The engineers worked tirelessly to tune the suspension, steering, and chassis balance to give the i4 that signature BMW ultimate driving machine feel. Despite being an EV with a heavy battery pack, it has a near-perfect weight distribution, precise steering, and a playful yet composed character on the road. Range anxiety? BMW has that covered too. Depending on the trim, the i4 offers between 270 and 300 miles of range on a single charge, with DC fast charging capability that can add up to 90 miles of range in just 10 minutes. That makes it practical for daily driving and long-distance road trips alike. The i4 blends performance and efficiency seamlessly, showing that you can have both without compromise. Step inside the i4 and you're greeted with an interior that feels modern yet familiar. The centerpiece is BMW's curved display, a massive high-resolution screen that combines the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment system, running the latest eDrive 8 software. It's sleek, customizable, and loaded with features, from real-time traffic to advanced driver assistance systems. Yet BMW hasn't abandoned its driver-focused philosophy. The seating position is low and sporty. The controls are intuitive, and everything feels designed around the driver. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and meticulous craftsmanship make the cabin a space where technology meets luxury. But perhaps the most important thing about the BMW i4 is what it represents. This isn't BMW trying to reinvent itself, it's BMW doubling down on what it does best while adapting to the electric age. The i4 shows that the driving pleasure enthusiasts love doesn't have to disappear in the EV transition. Instead, it can evolve, combining instant electric torque with the dynamics and precision that made BMW a household name among car lovers.